If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making 56 of the holy foods of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Khaja. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of refined flour or maida, 5 tablespoons of ghee, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar. Now in a large bowl, take all the refined flour or maida. To that, add all the salt and the ghee. Now combine these really well with your fingers. And after combining it really well, take small portion in your hand and tightly squeeze it. If it holds the shape, then it's perfect. Now add the water, which is about 1/3 cup, then knead it to make a hard dough. And after that, let it rest for at least 15 minutes. And in the meantime, take a pan or a saucepan and to that add 1 cup of sugar along with 1 cup of water. And after adding both of these, switch on the flame and set the flame on high and let it boil for roughly about 10 minutes, which is roughly the 1 string consistency. Now on a flat surface, dust some flour and take all the dough, flatten it a little, place it and with the help of a rolling pin and roll to make a large roti-like shape. That's it. Now apply some ghee and spread it all over. And on top of that, dust some flour again, which is maida. This will make sure all the layers within the khaja won't stick to each other. Then starting from an end, tightly roll it, almost till the end. And apply some more ghee to seal it. Then take a knife and cut the roll at a width of roughly about 1 inch. And if you notice, you can clearly see the layers. So take one of the small piece and again roll it to stretch it out, just like this. And now we will fry this. So for that, take lots of oil or ghee, set the flame on low to medium and do not increase the flame. So it will take some time, but you need to keep the flame constant. So once the oil or ghee is well heated, slide them one by one and fry them till they are golden brown in color. And as soon as they are done, transfer them into the sugar syrup, which should be warm, not hot or cold, and dip them for roughly about 10 seconds, not more than that. And they're done. And that's it. one of the Mahaprasad Khaja. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.